Experiencing issues with your Tesco Mobile app on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Problems often stem from a few key areas: outages on Tesco's servers, outdated app versions, or data corruption within the app itself. Outages on Tesco's servers can cause widespread issues. These often happen due to high traffic or technical problems, making the app temporarily inaccessible. Outdated app versions are another common culprit. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility, so always keep your app current through the App Store or Google Play. Data corruption within the app itself can lead to crashes or login failures. Clearing the app's cache or data often resolves this issue. Compatibility issues arise when your phone's operating system is too old or incompatible. Ensure you're running iOS 14 Plus or Android 8 Plus for best performance. Finally, internet connection problems can make the app appear unresponsive. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try switching networks if needed. As of October 2025, the Tesco Mobile app is generally stable with versions 5.8.2 for Android and 5.8.1 for iOS. However, intermittent login failures and slow loading can still occur. First, check for outages. Visit Tesco's official status page at tescomobile.com/status or use Down Detector to see if there are any reported server issues. If there's an outage, the problem is on Tesco's end, and you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. Second, ensure your app is up to date. Head to the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and check for any available updates. Outdated versions can cause glitches. Third, try resetting the app. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Tesco Mobile, tap Storage, and clear the cache, then clear the data. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find Tesco Mobile, and offload the app or delete it and reinstall from the App Store. Also, ensure your iOS is version 14 or higher, or Android is version 8 or higher. These steps will often resolve the most common app problems.